Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a profile for your kid. So let's go ahead with the video. Go ahead and open YouTube Kids in your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on I am a parent. After you click on I am a parent, click next and enter the date of your birth. Now click on submit. You can click on show text. After that, click on next and go ahead and sign in with your account. You can click on sign in or you can create a new account for yourself. I'll just go ahead and sign in because I've already created a parent account. After creating a parent account, you should go ahead and click your password. After entering your password, you can go ahead and name your kid or your child profile. So you can name the channel or page according to your child's profile. Say, let me name my child and then let me keep his name. After entering her name, you can click the birth month and press next. Now you can select the type of content it will be shown. You can turn on or off the search and then you can successfully create a profile. You can add another profile or press next and then the contents will be loaded. You can edit the enable sets, you can clear history, purge history and all of these functions. You can even delete the profile from here. So this is how you create a profile for your kid in YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.